Hi guys, I'm gonna show you a combo with Hero Hunter. Just like this. Let's go into the server. That's me. That's okay. Now guys, today we're learning about combo of Hero Hunter.